Hello everyone, welcome to Free Automation Learning channel and my name is Chirag. Today we are going to discuss what is the difference between put and patch method. As put and patch both are used to modify the data. So what is the difference between these two methods and when we have to use this method in API testing? So put method is used when we have to modify complete our body or complete data which we already created, and patch is used when we have to modify partially, right? So when we have partially modification, then we use a patch method. So this is the difference. Both are used for modify the data which is already created by using post method, but put is used to modify complete data, but patch is used to modify partially data. So let me open a postman and we will see what is the difference between these two methods. So this is my get request and this is my URI which has only one record, right? So let me create one more record. I will copy this and for post I will put this and give a 2. Title is test and type code is author is free automation, right? So let me create one record and go to get, and now you can see I have two records, right? Now I have to modify a ID to record. Let me go and just put this is the record and I get this record by an ID. Now I have to modify the ID record, right? So how I can do? I used a put give me this body, and here what I do, I just remove this, and here I will put a title is Chirag and I post a put record, right? Now again I will put a get request and we'll see what is the output. So this is the record which do not have a author. If I will put a get request, then you can see ID1 has a author but ID2 does not has a author because I removed a author from a post. This my put request body. So let me create one more record with ID 3. Here I also put patch test, okay, and this is a free automation, right? Let me create this record. You can see ID3 is created successfully. Let me fetch this record by using a get request, and you can see a ID3 data has been successfully fetched from the server, right? So now I have to use a patch to modify my title. So my title should be a Chirag, and here again I will remove this patch author. Now I will again hit a send request. Now I will again get this and I will see. So you can see when I used a put record without using an author, then author has been deleted from my response from my data. But when I used a patch record, that time I also removed a author, but author does not remove it just modified our title. So this is the difference between put and patch. In put, we modify complete data from our database, but patch we only modify a partially data. So here only a title has been modified. We do not modify or deleted author from our database. So this is the difference between put and patch, right? So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.